gonna be meeting music machine player today. I barely get enough sleep because of the jet lag, and then on top of that I gotta work concurrently with KL time. I'll forever remember these moments. I think it should be right.
First off security.
Oh, I is arrived.
John! Come on, buddy! There he is, mate! The Malaysian Don!
Oh man!
Yeah,
How are you doing, man?
Or not, this is the first time we're vlogging together. Wicked locations for you, and you know what?
Oh my god. This is it?
That is it.
This is the MAVIC Pro, right?
MAVIC Pro 2. That's my hand, and that's a MAVIC Pro. You know what? There you go, John. John's got the bag. He's with his latte, and we're in Bedford.
We're gonna check out the bridge.
Yeah.
Try and test the MAVIC 2 over there. Man. See, I missed the smaller camera.
You know what? There you go, John. John's got the bag. He's actually appreciate how much work goes into this vlogging, because I tried to do it yesterday and I was shit at it.
Obviously, I'm not gonna lie. This is my first time touching a MAVIC as well.
Right, mate.
Wow, what the fuck? There's so many things in the. This is so overwhelming, yo.
Just gonna do it now.
Oh shit, son.
You see that?
I do.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Man, it's fucking sick, yo. Okay. We're gonna take a second shot of me on the bridge. Oh man, you see that fucking thing? Shit, son. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pose like that.
Right, bro. Give us your opinion then, mate. The MAVIC Air.
I think it's an amazing drone. I feel the compactness for the quality as well. I can bring it everywhere I want. Versus the Phantom, which is really inconvenient bringing it everywhere. That's my main gripe. Because when I travel a lot and I have to bring something with me to have those aerial shots, fuck the Phantom, man. It's a pain in the ass. I brought it to Japan. I can't turn. Assembling the Phantom as well takes a long time because you have to calibrate it. The propellers, you have to sync together with, and you need a wire, man. Can't fly it without the screen. You need a screen.
Oh shit.
Whereas MAVIC, you have a choice.
Yeah, you can fly without the controller.
Yeah. Why not?
I'm glad this guy came because, you know what, showed me a tip or two. Yeah, I'm a bit fucking shit
No, you're
on
not.
the
You know
what, it takes time, and it's like anything. You learn to drive a car, you're not gonna learn in one day.
Yeah, man.
So it's like anything, you know what I mean?
Schumacher wasn't built in a day, man.
Damn right.
Maple Farm. I do, if that's okay with you.
Right, let's.
Yo, they fucking scooped the ice cream pre-scooped, man. Pre-scooped ice cream. Wow, look at the cakes. Jesus Christ. Indeed, man. What's called a carvery? A carvery. Oh, a carvery, like
Yeah,
you carve
carvery,
meat.
yes.
Oh, that's what carvery is. Look at the size of that fucking pork, man. Mash. Roasties. What is what are roasties?
Roast potatoes.
Oh, roast. Okay, carrots, stuffing, broccoli. Oh shit, son. Parsnips. Oh, look at the sausages.
more than enough for me, mate.
Yeah.
You can give him the extra.
You want the small plate, yeah?
Yeah. Thank you very much. I feel like you're getting some.
Fucking hell.
I feel like you're getting some, mate.
Oh, a bit of cranberry.
I mean,
And mustard.
horseradish, yeah.
Oh, look at the fucking size of that shit.
This all cost us £18.50.
1850.
But you'll get them all around London as well.
Dude, this is fucking massive, yo. I think it's the first time I'm having Yorkshire pudding.
John, what do you think?
Doughy.
Is it completely legit?
I'm gonna try the cheesy cauliflowers as well. Cheesy cauliflower. Oh. Beef.
Awesome.
Oh.
You can go and have as many veggies as you want. What do you think of the potatoes?
Not that picture of Jen. Popsy, you're gonna kill me, man. What the fuck? This is so random, man.
Gurdwara.
Gurdwara.
Yeah, I'm gonna get those gates open for you now.
We don't have to.
No, we fucking will do, mate.
We can go in?
You go anywhere you want, mate.
Dude, it looks like the fucking Taj Mahal.
You alright, John? Yeah. Well, this is what vloggers have to do. What do you think of this building?
It's fucking insane, man. It's the tallest thing here. Look around! Can you pass me my phone? I'll take a picture for Jen. I miss her so much, man.
Oh, bless you, mate.
Oh shit!
Oh, damn.
It's fucking epic, man. But thank you for the banana and the Fanta.
That's probably
Oh my
the
God.
best part of it, mate.
Popsy, it's been a pleasure.
Oh, no,
man.
mate. Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you. It's so nice to see you,
I'll
man.
wait for your WhatsApp.
Yeah.
But don't wait too long, you know what I mean? If
For
you
sure.
don't wait too long, then just come back. We'll
For
chill
sure.
out here for a bit, yeah?
Alright, I'll message you, man.
Rest. Peace.
See you in a bit. I'm back in London. Oh, long journey, man. But very, very productive. The destination and the journey, both productive. Gonna meet ex-colleague Sam right now. Sam has been on my vlogs too. You know, it's funny, I feel like now wherever I travel, there's someone there I can meet. Kind of crazy, right? How small the world has become. Wow, look at that. Where's Sam?
Are you catching me jaywalking?
It's okay. We're gonna go grab a drink and dinner right now. We don't know where yet. Okay. I can't drink beer because of allergies, so I'm gonna go with liquor. Cheers. I like the way how they cut the cucumber. They're fucking fancy, right? So refreshing. Wow, looks good.
Oh my goodness, so long. I cannot find my brother's. Have a slice.
Wow, the cream is quite cool.
Take the pizza. This one. You see what?
This place is like changkat, man. So fucking immense. Great dinner, great sea bass. I didn't record myself eat. I totally forgot. It was fucking amazing, especially the salt and the lemon. Incredible. Tiring day though. I need to work tonight. Fantastic. See you soon, okay? I see you back in Malaysia. You finally get to meet Jen.
February. I'll call you